Hello, my beautiful ladies. It's Greta here, ladies relationship coach. And today's topic for you ladies is what to do if he asks you to leave. Ladies, you know, him asking you to leave is not the worst thing that could happen. The worst thing that could happen is him asking you to leave and you staying. So, what do I mean by that? Surely a lot of you think that if he asks me to leave and I will just ask to stay and I will just ask to stay and will prove to him that I can change and that I can be better and that I can fix it, he will give me a second chance, right? Or if I will show him how upset I am about this, and if I will beg and cry and plead, he will feel sorry for me and he will stay. Or if I will remind him all that I done for him and how dare he talk to me this way, he will remember and will feel embarrassed to dump me. I mean, how dares he after all of that? So, ladies, if these thoughts are going through your mind and if you're thinking of doing any of this, it does not work. Why? Ladies, first, for example, if you will try to prove him that you can change and that you can be better, it's actually pursuing a man and trying to impress him. It's not your job to pursue and impress him. Why? You are not a prince. He is. Second, ladies, if you will cry, beg, and plead, hoping that he will stay with you because he feels sorry for you, ladies, I do not know a man who stayed with a woman because he feels sorry for her. Do you? And if you do know one like that, is that couple actually having a good relationship? I guess not, right? Ladies, if you think about it, would you date that guy who you feel sorry for? No. So it's the same thing for men. Third, nagging and guilt tripping him into staying with you does not work either. Ladies, if you will say, I have done this for you and I have done that for you, and how dare you to leave me? Well, if you think about it, giving with an expectation, it's not giving, it's a manipulation. Ladies, a man will just not stay with you because he feels like he owns you something. If anything, it could be the reason why he broke up with you because you overgave and he took you for granted. Ladies, please watch my video what to do when he's taking you for granted, which you can find just by following the link right here. So, ladies, now what do you do when he tells you to pack your stuff and go? You put your dignity and self-respect first and you leave. Because to stay will be the worst thing that you can do. And ladies, when you don't respect or value yourself, the other person doesn't either. You leave because you are putting your self-respect and dignity first. Having self-respect and dignity makes you feel like a high value queen. And ladies, that is really hot. And ladies, when you do not respect yourself, you cannot respect the other person either. You leave because you're putting your self-respect and dignity first. Having self-respect and dignity makes you feel like high value. And ladies, it's really hot. So if that's hot, by leaving, you are actually increasing his attraction for you. Therefore, ladies, leaving is the best thing that you can do. Also, ladies, if you want a next pack, please follow the link right here. I have a video for sale on my website. So ladies, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below what do you think and have you ever came across a situation like that? I would love to hear that. And join Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are all in the same boat learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is ladies only. It's private. It's called Ladies Relationship Coach. And if you would like some one-on-one or group coaching, or to check out my packages or videos which I have for sale, check out my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. And thank you so much for watching, ladies. Kisses from London.